More tools. Let's see. All right, red case. I'm gonna assume that this is our valve stem seal, well, valve stem removal tool. When you take the head off, you can grab the, yeah, you can, when you take the head off, you can use this to put on either side of the cylinder head, and you use one of these guys. I'm going to assume it's maybe a 23 to press down on the valve, remove the retainer clips, and then release it, and then you can take the valve out, valve stem seal out, do a valve job if you want, and then I think we're gonna go the valve job route just for the heck of it. We're gonna clean it up and then throw everything back together. This was like 15 bucks online. I think it was used, looks used, but really cheap. All in all, it does the job. This may take a bit longer.